Sophia loves the rain.
Sophia, what are you doing? You're getting ice? Uh-huh. To make them all happy? Fresh water, okay.
Not even Hudson's come outside. She's back. Don't you know it's raining, Sophia? I think the plants are getting plenty of water without your help this time. The rain's watering them. Are you going to walk through the puddles, honey? Walk through that puddle there. No, over here. That's the big one.
I think I'll hit him. Shall I fill up her basket? You want more to put in? Ooh, it's raining so hard.
I would just take the clothes all off immediately and warm her up.
Are you ready to get out of the rain?
My name is Thomas.
I'm a firefighter.
Here, you want to look in here at yourself?
Yeah.
You're a wet girl. You see?
Hi.
See how wet you are? Let's go inside, honey. Come on. Honey. Sophia. Honey. Honey bunny. Come inside. I want you to come inside, Sophia. Sophia, please. We got to get your clothes off and get you warmed up, okay? I know, and it's keeping your shoulders dry, but the rest of you is very wet. Okay, I want you to come inside and get your wet clothes off. We got to get you dried up. Sophia, Daddy said to come inside. It's time to come inside and get those wet clothes off. Hello.
Hi.
You're one wet kid. Those are some muddy puddles, Sophia.
warm, Dada. It wasn't really.
Sophia, will you meet me in the garage so I can dry you off and come
She needs to
inside?
come inside, Mama.
Yeah.
She's shivering a little.
Okay.
Are you gonna get her? You got clothes
She's
on.
gonna fill it up and then I'm gonna get it.
Okay. Sounds like a plan to me.
Mama.
All right, we're gonna go around, okay? Come on.
Bye-bye.
All right, come on over here.
Hello, Sophia.
Over here. Stay here, stay here, stay here. We're gonna take off all your clothes. We got
Hey, baby
towels
girl.
over
Hi.
here.
You're a wet girl.
Yeah, I'm a bad girl.
Are you cold?
No,
You're okay?
I'm wet a little.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all.
As long as you're not cold, you can be wet.
I could be wet.
When you go swimming in a pool, you get wet, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
When else do
No, I
you?
do this, Dada.
Okay, Jonas
I
is.
don't.
When else do you get
No,
wet?
I do this.
Jonas, when else do you get wet?
I get went to the rain.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and in a pool,
Yeah.
and in a bathtub.
Come.
But when do you get wet with
Do
your
you know
clothes
we
on?
do this? Cause we do this. Do this.
What?
Do this.
What about Jonas's?
Call her Jonas, as she said.
Jonas.
She's asking.
I don't do
All right,
this.
let me hear
But I want to call you Sam.
you.
Can you growl like Diesel?
No.
You're Thomas.
No.
I'm boss.
I rather.
You must be Brandon.
I watch.
You are Brandon, huh?
I am.
Dave. What's my name?
You're not today. You're boss.
What if you're Dave? I want to be Scott.
No. You be Brandon.
You be Kayla and I'll be Nick.
No.
No?
No. That's not either. I'm Brandon.
All right. Does that mean we're going to tackle each other
Yeah.
if we're football players?
Yeah. Where is she? Oh my God, I picked you. Can I use that pen? I need that pencil. My pencil.
It does not work anymore, huh? Remember that?
See what that name? What's that name?
It's just a grocery list.
Can I do like that? You go through this. I can write because I'm the teacher.
You're the teacher?
Yeah. No, let me do it.
Well, I don't have much time. I want to get you in clothes again and warm. Go quick.
The teacher's It's got a paintbrush.
It's almost like a paintbrush here. It's
So-
not working.
It's not working.
No. Okay, let's put it back.
Or maybe you need to dip it in paint.
I don't.
All right, come on. Let's go to the bedroom. Get your clothes on.